Mega Magazine New Update muli, with our Queen, Liza Soberano. Mega Magazine Caption: Fashion and Makeup, our storyteller. And in this cinematic fashion, fairy tale, Mega's June cover star, Liza Soberano, embraces a transformative journey, with BYS. Puri ng netizens, ang kagandahan nito, sa nasabing cover magazine. Ang kanyang tagahanga, ay sobrang proud na proud, kay Liza Soberano. Ayon pa sa kanila, truly one of the most beautiful faces on the planet. The unexpected cover, so cinematic, I love it, that it tells a story, with just one amazing image. Grabe naman, kaya gigil na naman, mga bashers mo, nakaka-insecure kasi, beauty mo. Ayan lamang ang mga ibang komento, na good vibes, para sa update post, ng Mega Magazine, with our Queen, Liza Soberano.